Hello, friends. The trade of the week this week is TAN. That's the ETF for the solar sector. So if you want to learn more, don't scroll. All right, quick look at the market. I'm going to start with the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ in general is trying to base down here. All right, the S&Ps look similar, but we're running into our declining 50-day moving average. But notice the distance between the 200-day moving average and the NASDAQ. Okay, that's the respective line for the NASDAQ. Let's look at the S&P 500 using the SPY. Where are they in relation to the 200? Still way down here. All right, so the market has a lot of work to do technically if it wants to base and dig in and move higher. But the sector down approach is what we're going to do this week. And if we look at my trade ideas sector window, Friday, TAN with some other commodity related ETFs, including the biotechs here. But TAN, that's at the top of my list. So we look at the chart, TAN, and keep that 200-day moving average in mind. Oh, look at that. Relatively speaking, the solar sector has been attacking its 200-day moving average, unlike the S&P and the 500 and the NASDAQ. So this is what we call relative strength. It's showing up here in the solar sector. So therefore, the trade of the week is TAN. Now the entry is, I'm going to say, is up to you, because really you could wait until it breaks out, but it very well could easily pull back and test the 200. So anywhere around this 200-day moving average, if you can find a good entry, take it. The risk management is going to be 100% this 50-day simple moving average. As long as TAN remains above the 50-day simple moving average and doesn't close below that, the trade is on. That's your risk management. So good luck. Follow the plan. I'll see you next time.